About that, guys, I had to take a phone call. That was my brother. So yeah. Oh yeah, I had got the wrong size pipes. A PVC pipe. I had got 1.5 inch, totally too big. So I went back, took those back, got 1 inches, exchanged the elbows and everything. Look, man, like I said, I'm excited. We're gonna get straight into this build. Came out perfect, at a perfect height, right above the pond. So I'm at pond level. Sits there flush, works beautifully. Yep. Just gonna get him filled up. Guys, I just found out my uni seals is not coming today. They're not coming until tomorrow. But I'm so pissed because I want to get this pump up and going. I can't wait to just see the water flow through this thing. Check it out. I got my PVC piping cut out. I got everything set and ready to go. But you know what? I'm so ecstatic about this video. I'm so happy to build this thing, bro. I'm gonna hot glue it. Straight up. I'm gonna hot glue it. And if it don't work, hey, I can always use a knife, a blade, and I can cut around the hot glue and put the uni seals in. So we're still gonna run it, so stay tuned. this is what it's looking like. I actually did it a little different. I put my sponges in, and then I put my rocks on top. However you guys want to do it. I found out that was a better way for me because my basket start floating to the top. Oh, watch those toes. But my basket start floating to the top, so I had to put some weight on it. That's the bucket that I have in there. It's just a plastic bucket with holes in it so it'll sink. And we'll get this into there and I'll be back. All right, guys, got my basket back in. I put my lava rocks at the bottom of the basket so the dirt from the rocks wouldn't get the sponges so dirty. Took my mesh laundry bag with my polyfill inside. Gonna lay it across like this. Where's the other one? Here's the other one. Gonna lay it across like that. So guys, this should catch anything that's getting pushed out those sprayers. And okay, for video's sake, nah, I think it's okay. Okay, for video's sake, I'll put a little in between here to fill that gap. That's good faith. Let's get some more of this polyfill. Let's go. We're just gonna line up that middle, guys. Like I said, I don't want it to get outside of the basket too much. Got a little more, a couple handfuls. And I just want to pack it in here really, really good. Okay, do it like that. And guys, I think we're ready to go. I'll be back. Filling the rest of the water up. Putting together the pumps. I just gotta finish that roll of lights right there.